Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Finishing up a few cars tonight. It's day after Thanksgiving, Black Friday. Well, it's after midnight now, so we're a couple days after. But finishing up a, Tesla Y. I'm going to show you the Tesla Y owners, Tesla 3, and just the phone calls I'm getting asking me if we wrap the edges. That's all we do. And I'm going to show you this car that's underway. I'm going to show you this Aston Martin DBX, that Honda Type R, and then that there's a Porsche and a 2022 M3. So when you give me a call and you ask, do we wrap edges? I always tell you we do. And there are facilities out there that say you cannot wrap edges. You can safely wrap an edge, and that is the only truly one way to get the full length of your warranty. When you don't wrap an edge, that edge of the film is exposed to everything out here. And when you wash the car and you wipe on it, you're going to keep fraying that end. This is wrapped. And I'm going to show you, I just finished it. We're going to get around there. There's the edge. And I got to tell you, it's guaranteed. That thing comes up. You don't ask any questions. You dump that thing right in front of my facility. It's not going to come up. The only way you're going to take it up is by digging at it, and we'll know that. This entire fender is wrapped 100% all the way around. So I tell you, if you're looking for the right job on your new car, I don't care what it is, this is what you want. All this is done underneath. It's wrapped all the way into here. The panel goes back on. All the way wrapped into this fender well, wrapped all the way into this headlight. You want to come down and look? I'll show you how we do it. But it really gets old when I get clients calling me and tell me they talked to another facility telling them you can't. I've been doing this for over 30 years. And I got to tell you, wrapping the edge is safe. Wrapping the edge is the only way to go. This is a white car, so if you have an edge all the way around this, you're going to have a big dirt line. It happens on all cars, but it shows up on whites, silvers, tans. This hood's fully done. Not a mark in it. You got to watch for that too when your installer's putting his stuff in, that it's mark free. Here's the film. As it goes through and starts to dry out, I'll start knocking all this down where it's bunching up. So all that'll get knocked down. Here I already knocked it down on this side. This is the passenger side. There's your edge, all the way wrapped in. So to the naysayer, I say learn how to do your job. This is wrapping every single edge on this car. So far I've got mirrors, I've got fenders, hood, headlights, fog lights. Let's go on over to this DBX that's finishing up. Great car, DBX Aston Martin SUV. Every single edge is wrapped. We take out these vents, we wrap it in, put them back. There's the film hanging. It's the only way to wrap the car, okay? Wrapping all the edges. If you're not getting a wrapped edge, folks, take it back. I'm telling you right now, you're wasting your time and your money. I get people in here that say all the time, oh my gosh, that's okay. Now look how clean that looks. All the way wrapped in, all the way wrapped in. That's what you want right there. There's the film. We'll get that down as we finish it up. This whole car is wrapped in, all wrapped in. You want a perfect look? You pay enough for the film, you might as well get it. I'm not saying we're the only guy in town that does it, but a majority do not. Do not do it. And I gotta tell you, I had 3 people in today, the day after Thanksgiving, with their cars done somewhere else, saying, hey, what's wrong? Why isn't this edge wrapped? Well, that's because your guy doesn't know what he's doing. He said at the very end, oh, he couldn't get that edge. Well, when you open a door like this and you say you can't get that edge, I don't get it. You got plenty of room there. Nicely wrapped around. This whole Type R is done. The entire car, every edge, all wrapped in. The scoop was taken out, fully wrapped in. This will clean up tomorrow and get delivered back to the person that owns it. This Y here is in for a full stealth. That'll start tomorrow. This is a full stealth M3 that's completed. Every single edge. This came off, no problem. These came off, no problem. This came off, no problem. So we're able to wrap in here. Nothing's gonna break. Everything's great. This whole roof pan, fully wrapped in, all the way down under this molding. I don't get it, but to each their own. Everything's wrapped in perfectly on this. We'll get to that guy next right there. This is my high horse today about people at these facilities not doing what they should, and they're telling customers they are. This whole A-pillar, all the way wrapped into here, all the way wrapped in. So, fully ceramic coated, all the plastics are done, all the way back. Clean job, nicely done, looking fantastic. Wrapped edges, that's what this is about. This is a 22 Turbo. This front end was done at Grapevine's Tint World. There you go. Nothing wrapped on it. Not one edge. The front end was done there. They cut all the way around here at Tint World. All the way around, no edges wrapped. They seamed this fender. No need for that. Not bagging on you, it just didn't get done correctly. Not wrapped in here. You can see the edge out here. Tint World and Grapevine right there. The back end, the guy brought it to us. We did the rest. Clearbrow, North Dallas. Fully wrapped in doors. Moldings removed, fully wrapped in. This, fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in A-pillar. Fully wrapped in all the way around in one piece. So this A-pillar, this rear quarter, if you flare out here like this, it starts at the windshield. It goes all the way around to the tail, all the way down in one section. My honest opinion, probably couldn't do it over there. All this comes out, piece goes back in. One piece, fully wrapped edges. Fully wrapped in. Fully wrapped in. The wing, fully wrapped all the way around both sides. If you lift this up, there's a bottom tier, and then this down here, fully wrapped. All this whole bumper, took the tow hook out, wrapped it in, wrapped the tow hook. So this is what we've got going on here. A couple little hits on it, a couple little scuffs. That's why this guy weighs 6,000 miles to get it to us. I don't know why, but that front end was done, in my opinion, incorrectly. You're losing the durability of the film when that edge is not wrapped around the other side. So there you go. To each their own, do what you need to do, but the right way is to wrap the edge. So if you're looking for a wrapped edge, give us a call at Clearbrow, North Dallas, 214-414-3809, or clearbrownorthdallas.com. I'd be happy to chat with you about the correct way to get your car paint protected. Take care. Have a great night.